Excellent. 1, 2, 3. Show me your ones. So before we had just our standard whiteboards that I would have to replace pretty much every year because they become pretty gross. And it was the constant, I can't find my marker, I don't have an eraser. It just constantly searching for things that got scratched up in their desk. It was just a pain. So when I found your KleenSlates, it was amazing because I never hear I can't find a marker because it's clipped in the handle. So nobody has that excuse, which is probably like my favorite thing of the whole part of it. Same with the erasers. The 2 erasers too work really great because the kids know if they have a small mistake they need to fix, they use the top of the marker on the eraser on the marker, and then we call them our big blue erasers to erase the whole board. So for bigger erase, I mean, we erase everything, which is great. The handles really make sure that they're holding them up high. When I ask for 1, 2, 3, show me, I can see everyone's, and they've got it up high, which is great too because I was always dealing with boards under, over, behind your head. So when it's a paddle, it's just kind of natural instinct to hold it straight up. So that's been amazing. I've just loved that. Management wise, like I said, we're grab your KleenSlates, your markers are there, your erasers there. We don't have to worry about any of that. And then the templates, just an added bonus. We can change them out. The kids know how to change it out. I can do anything with them. I'm not stuck to just one subject. So we've done reading, writing, math. The kids loved even just to draw on it, and they'll ask for different, templates for that too. I know first graders thought it was great because they had the lines for their printing, so I didn't have slopes of writing. Same with third grade, it keeps them focused, and then we've still got that whiteboard option on the other side. So we still have an open, template or canvas that we can do pretty much anything with. So that makes it great. They get excited when I say we're going to get our KleenSlates out. You'll actually hear a cheer, which you don't normally hear for whiteboards. But it's not so much of a novelty that it's still a toy. So we still know how to use them, and they get excited to use them.